I'm Lauren Davis from Michelin North America, and today we're going to talk about tire safety. It's important to check the pressure in your tires monthly, and check your tread depth regularly, especially before a long road trip. When it comes to tire safety, checking the pressure in your tires is really important. You want to check the pressure when your tires are cold or at least 3 hours after you've driven. You want to make sure that the pressure in your tires matches the recommendation found on the inside door jamb of your vehicle or in the owner's manual. The recommendation for my tires is 33 psi. To start, you want to remove the cap from the valve stem, take your tire pressure gauge, place it over the valve stem, and push. 33. The pressure in my tires matches the recommended psi. Tread depth is another important aspect of tire safety. To check the tread depth on your tires, you can do the penny test. All you need is a penny. To do the penny test, hold a penny between your thumb and forefingers with Lincoln's head facing down. Then stick your penny into multiple points of the tread across your tire to check for wear. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it's time to get your tires checked by a professional. When it comes time to replace the tires on your vehicle, ideally you want to replace all 4 tires at the same time. But if that's not possible, most experts recommend replacing 2 tires and putting them on the rear for maximum safety in wet conditions. Let's take a look at what happens when you replace 2 new tires and put them on the front. Now let's take a look at what happens when you replace 2 new tires and put them on the rear. So remember, there are 3 easy ways to check for tire safety. Number 1, check the pressure in your tires. Number 2, do the penny test to check for the tread wear. And number 3, ideally install 4 new tires at one time, but if you can only install 2, put them on the rear for maximum safety in wet conditions.
Michelin, a better way forward.